Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Printify on Shopify. So simply, in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Shopify account, and after that you have to go to Printify and simply create your account here. So after when you have created account, simply you have to click on this down arrow button, and after that just you have to click on manage my stores. So now after that, here you can see the connect option. Now what you need to do, you have to go to your Shopify account and just copy this URL. So simply just note that you don't need to copy admin, simply you have to copy your store URL, and after that just simply here you can see the connect option. So when you click on connect, simply you will here see the Shopify. So just simply click on connect. Now paste the link here, and after that just simply click on connect. So now here you can see we have successfully connect Shopify and Printify. So now after that, here you can also install the app. So in this way you can connect Printify on Shopify.